Hello guys, welcome back to the One Folk Story Kitchen. Today we have brought an easy and a quick breakfast recipe for you. It's called the pancakes.
So let's start by cracking an egg first. Then we add granulated sugar. Whisk this till the sugar gets dissolved. This is how the sugar is dissolved completely. Now next step, we add in the melted butter. Give it a good mix. So the butter is completely nicely mixed. Now we add few drops of vanilla essence. Now we add the milk. We add milk in parts. We keep a little bit of milk aside. Now we take a sevi and we sip this maida. We've taken a little bit of pinch of salt here, and we've taken the baking powder. So we pass this all through a sevi. To avoid any kind of lumps. Now we mix this all together. Had kept the milk aside. Now we put in the milk. So keep mixing it until there are no lumps, and this is the consistency that we are looking for. Now we take a pan, heat it on a medium flame. With the help of a ladle, now we add the pancake mix. So you see these bubbles start evaporating, and that's how you know the bottom is already getting cooked. And now we flip this pancake. Cooking it on the other side as well. I love the color, guys. It looks nice and amazing. You see the pancake is almost done. That's how you know the pancake is cooked, and it moves around. We will cook it for another minute on the other side so that you get a nice brown color on the bottom as well. So this is the color that we are looking at the bottom as well. Now keep repeating the process. You will end up having around 6 to 7 pancakes in this batter.
For the vegetarians, we can replace the eggs with the bananas. You can add toppings with this pancakes however you like. You can have it with the chantilly cream, you can have it with chocolate sauce or Nutella or honey or maple syrup itself. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Do try this recipe at home. Do not forget to tag One Folk Story. Stay home, stay safe.